Looking to escape to a tropical paradise where luxury meets laid-back island vibes? Let me tell you about Privilege Aluxes on Isla Mujeres, a stunning resort that promises an unforgettable Mexican Caribbean experience. This property has been making waves among travelers seeking that perfect blend of relaxation and adventure, and today we're diving deep into everything this hotel has to offer. From the moment you set foot on this beautiful island, you'll understand why Isla Mujeres has captured the hearts of so many visitors, and Privilege Aluxes sits right in the sweet spot of delivering exceptional value without breaking the bank. When it comes to accommodations, Privilege Aluxes really knows how to make guests feel special. The resort offers a variety of room categories designed to suit different travel styles and budgets, which is always a plus when you're trying to find that perfect fit for your vacation. The standard rooms are anything but basic, featuring contemporary Mexican-inspired decor that brings warmth and character to your personal space. Each room comes equipped with air conditioning, which is absolutely essential when you're staying in the Caribbean heat. The beds are comfortable with quality linens that make crawling into bed after a long day of beach activities feel like a genuine treat. Most rooms feature private balconies or terraces, giving you that precious outdoor space where you can enjoy your morning coffee while watching the island wake up or unwind with a cocktail as the sun sets over the turquoise waters. The bathrooms are well appointed with modern fixtures and provide all the essentials you need, including complimentary toiletries that save you from packing half your bathroom cabinet. For those looking to upgrade their experience, the resort offers suite options that provide additional living space, perfect for families or couples who want a bit more room to spread out. These suites often come with enhanced amenities and upgraded views, whether that's overlooking the sparkling Caribbean Sea or the beautifully landscaped resort grounds. The rooms feature modern technology including flat-screen televisions, mini fridges that are particularly handy for keeping drinks cold, and in-room safes for your valuables. Wi-Fi connectivity is available throughout the property, though as with many Caribbean resorts, the connection can be a bit temperamental at times, but honestly, isn't that part of the charm of unplugging and truly relaxing? The housekeeping staff does an excellent job maintaining the rooms, with daily service ensuring your space stays fresh and comfortable throughout your stay. Storage space is adequate with closets and drawers that can accommodate a week's worth of vacation wardrobe, and the thoughtful touches like beach towels provided in the room show attention to guest convenience. The dining scene at Privilege Aluxes deserves serious attention because, let's face it, food can make or break a vacation. The resort operates on an all-inclusive model, which means you can indulge without constantly checking your wallet, and that's a beautiful thing when you're trying to fully relax. The main restaurant serves up a diverse buffet spread for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, offering everything from traditional Mexican favorites to international dishes that cater to various palates. Breakfast is particularly impressive with made-to-order omelets, fresh tropical fruits that taste like sunshine, pastries, and hearty options for those who need a substantial start to their day. The lunch buffet keeps things interesting with different themed days, so you're not eating the same thing day after day, which can sometimes be a problem at all-inclusive properties. Dinner service elevates the experience with more refined presentations and often includes specialty stations where chefs prepare dishes right in front of you. Beyond the main buffet restaurant, guests can explore additional dining venues that provide more intimate settings and specialized menus. The beachfront restaurant offers a more casual atmosphere where you can dig your toes in the sand while enjoying freshly grilled seafood and Mexican specialties. There's something magical about eating fish tacos with the ocean breeze in your hair and the sound of waves providing the background music. The resort also features an Italian restaurant for those evenings when you're craving pasta or pizza, and the quality here genuinely surprises many guests who expect typical resort Italian food but get something much better. When it comes to bars, Privilege Aluxes has you covered from morning until night. The pool bar is the social hub during the day, serving up tropical cocktails, ice-cold beer, and non-alcoholic refreshments. The bartenders here are skilled at mixing classic drinks and often put their own spin on popular cocktails. The lobby bar provides a more relaxed environment for evening drinks, perfect for those quieter moments when you want to chat with your travel companions without the poolside energy. Beach bar service means you never have to leave your lounger if you don't want to, with staff regularly making rounds to take drink orders. The beverage selection includes premium spirits, though like most all-inclusive resorts, the top-shelf options might come with an additional charge. Wine lovers will find a decent selection available with meals, and the resort does offer some nice Mexican wines that are worth trying. Coffee and tea are available throughout the day at various locations, and the espresso-based drinks from the coffee station are surprisingly good quality. One thing that stands out about the dining experience here is the staff's willingness to accommodate dietary restrictions and preferences. Whether you're vegetarian, have food allergies, or just picky about certain ingredients, the kitchen staff works to ensure you're well fed and happy. The pool and beach situation at Privilege Aluxes is where this resort really shines and where most guests end up spending the majority of their time. The main swimming pool is a gorgeous centerpiece of the property, designed with multiple levels and depths to accommodate everyone from serious swimmers to those who just want to float and soak up the sun. The pool area is surrounded by comfortable loungers, and while finding a prime spot during peak season might require an early morning stroll, there's generally enough space for everyone. The pool features a swim-up bar section, which is always a crowd favorite because who doesn't love being able to order a margarita without leaving the water? The water temperature is kept comfortable, not too cold that you're hesitant to jump in but refreshing enough to cool you down from the Mexican heat. Palm trees provide natural shade around the pool deck, creating those perfect shaded spots for when you need a break from direct sunlight. The resort also offers a separate, quieter pool area for adults seeking a more tranquil environment away from the main action, which is perfect for reading a book or taking an afternoon nap on a lounger. Beach access is one of the major highlights of staying at Privilege Aluxes because Isla Mujeres is famous for its stunning beaches, and this resort doesn't disappoint. The beach area features soft white sand that feels amazing under your feet and crystal-clear turquoise water that looks like something from a postcard. Beach loungers and palapas are set up along the shore, providing comfortable spots to relax between swims. The water here is generally calm, making it perfect for swimming and wading, though like any beach, conditions can vary depending on weather and tides. The resort provides beach towels so you don't need to bring your own or worry about packing wet towels in your luggage at the end of your trip. Water activities available from the beach include snorkeling, kayaking, and paddleboarding, with equipment available for guest use. The snorkeling right off the beach is decent, though the really spectacular underwater sights require a boat trip to nearby reefs. The beach staff is attentive, regularly checking if guests need anything and maintaining the cleanliness of the area. Watching the sunset from the beach here is an absolute must-do experience, as the sky transforms into brilliant oranges and pinks that reflect off the calm Caribbean waters. The beach also provides direct access to the ocean for those early morning swims when the water is at its most peaceful, and you might have the beach almost to yourself. When it comes to activities and entertainment, Privilege Aluxes keeps guests engaged without overwhelming them with constant programming. The resort offers a daily schedule of activities that includes everything from water aerobics in the pool to beach volleyball tournaments that get surprisingly competitive. The fitness center is well equipped with modern cardio machines and weight training equipment, perfect for those who want to maintain their workout routine even while on vacation. The gym features air conditioning, which is essential because working out in tropical heat without it would be pretty miserable. Morning yoga sessions are offered on the beach, providing a peaceful way to start your day with the sound of waves and the fresh ocean air enhancing the experience. For those interested in learning something new, the resort occasionally offers Spanish language lessons and cooking demonstrations featuring Mexican cuisine. The entertainment team organizes evening shows and live music performances that range from traditional Mexican folkloric dancing to more contemporary entertainment. These shows are family-friendly and provide a nice way to spend an evening without leaving the resort property. During the day, you might find staff organizing games and contests around the pool area, from trivia competitions to dance lessons teaching guests how to salsa or merengue. The resort also arranges excursions and tours to various attractions around Isla Mujeres and the surrounding area, though these typically come at an additional cost beyond the all-inclusive package. Popular excursions include snorkeling trips to nearby reefs, visits to the famous underwater museum, swimming with whale sharks during season, and boat tours around the island. The activities desk staff is knowledgeable about local attractions and can help arrange transportation and bookings for off-property adventures. Water sports equipment is available for guest use, including kayaks and paddleboards that allow you to explore the coastline at your own pace. The resort occasionally organizes group excursions for guests, which can be a fun way to meet other travelers and explore together. The spa and wellness facilities at Privilege Aluxes provide that extra touch of pampering that can transform a good vacation into a great one. The spa offers a menu of treatments ranging from traditional massages to more specialized therapies incorporating local ingredients and techniques. Massage options include Swedish, deep tissue, and hot stone treatments with therapists who are skilled at working out those travel tension, knots, and stress. Couples massages are available for those romantic getaways, allowing partners to enjoy spa treatments side by side in a private treatment room. Facial treatments use quality products and are customized based on your skin type and concerns, which is especially nice after spending days in the sun and salt water. Body treatments like scrubs and wraps incorporate natural ingredients, sometimes featuring local elements like coffee or sea salt that leave your skin feeling incredibly soft and refreshed. The spa environment itself is designed to promote relaxation with soothing music, aromatherapy, and a tranquil atmosphere that helps you unwind from the moment you step inside. Prices for spa services are additional beyond the all-inclusive package, but they're generally reasonable compared to what you'd pay at luxury spas in major cities. Booking treatments in advance is recommended, especially during peak travel seasons when appointment slots fill up quickly. The wellness aspect extends beyond just the spa with yoga and meditation sessions offered on the beach or in designated quiet areas of the resort. These sessions are usually complimentary and provide a wonderful way to center yourself and embrace that vacation mindset. Some guests make it a daily ritual, starting each morning with sunrise yoga before heading to breakfast. The resort also has a small boutique where you can purchase spa products, beachwear, and souvenirs, though prices are naturally higher than what you'd find shopping in town. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.